Good morning, everybody. What's happening? What's going on? Today I wanted to just have a really quick upload and tell you about my cheap E39. You may remember this from a few months back when I posted the video. I bought the cheapest E39 in the USA. Now that may not have been totally true, but it certainly was the cheapest 530i Sport package listed anywhere like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and eBay, and also cars.com that I could find. Anyway, I've just sold the car for $5,700 after putting close to $3,000 in wheels, tires, and parts into it. So I did not make a profit on this car. I probably lost about $300. Now, while I may not have made a profit on the car, I did get to drive it since October, and it's now July. So that makes, what, 9 or 10 months that I got to drive the car for a total cost of about $300. I just sold it for $5,700, and I've recorded this video walking around the car, checking it out, just sort of like a walk-around video in 4K that I took with my phone really quickly to show some prospective buyers when I had it listed for sale. So I walked around the car, showed off the inside, just a quick clip of it running so they could see it. And I'm going to upload that now as part of this video, and to be honest, it's mostly for me, just so I can look back on this car and remember what it looked like, and in years from now I can look back and say, hey, this is one of the cars that I had, and sort of show off the condition of it and the work that I did. But I'm also keeping you guys updated on basically what I took it from back in October when I first bought it, and where I brought it in the past couple of months from working on it and sort of restoring the car, putting new wheels and tires, all that stuff. Anyway, there's a bunch more videos and news and updates coming on this channel. Stay tuned for some videos coming up in the future. As always, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video. I've just stopped here somewhere in Pennsylvania. It's been about 520 miles. I have approximately 5.5 hours left, and I'm starting to feel that fatigue right now. So I'm gonna just hang out here for a few minutes, close my eyes a little bit, and drink some water. Should be back home in about 5.5 hours.